Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make and use this rice water to strengthen and grow your hair. So stay tuned. So you're going to need 1/2 to 1 cup of rice, 2 to 4 cups of water depending on the amount of hair that you have, and you're going to rinse your rice. Rinse it really well to get rid of any dirt or impurities. And then you're just going to add it to a bowl or container. Once you've added all of your rice to your container and your water, you're going to mix that really well just to break up the rice a bit and allow the nutrients and the vitamins to get out into the water. And then you're going to let that sit for 15 to 30 minutes if you want to use it right away. Or if you prefer to ferment it, then you're going to let that sit for at least 24 hours. If you're going to ferment your water, it's good to add a few drops of essential oils just to make your rice water smell better. So this is 24 hours later, and I'm just going to take my rice water and I'm going to strain the rice water and add some more water just to dilute the fermented mixture. And since I have low porosity hair, I was being very careful not to overload my hair with protein, which is why I'm adding a lot of water just to dilute it more. So the next thing you're going to do is to add your water to a spray bottle, and then you're going to apply that to freshly washed hair. If you have any leftovers, you can put it in the fridge for up to 1 week. So you're going to focus on spraying the rice water on your scalp, your roots, and the ends of your hair. I like to massage the rice water into my scalp to ensure that all of my scalp is coated, and then I also spray all of my hair and just smooth it down, again to make sure all of my hair is coated. Rice water is a great hair strengthener. It's rich in inositol, a carbohydrate that helps decrease surface friction, which helps to detangle, and it also protects the hair from damage. It also helps to improve hair elasticity and define your curl pattern. Rice water is also full of amino acids, which strengthen the roots of your hair and add volume and sheen. Another benefit to fermented rice water is that it helps to restore your hair's pH balance. It nourishes the hair follicles to promote healthy hair growth, and it also improves the overall health of your hair. So once you've sprayed all of your hair, you're going to let the rice water sit on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes, or you can go up to 20 minutes, but since this was my first time, I just stuck with 5 minutes. And then once that time is up, you're going to rinse it out with clean water, and I followed up with a deep conditioner, and then I styled my hair as usual. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried rice water before, or if you haven't tried it yet, let me know what's stopping you from using it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because you guys really don't want to miss any of the new content that I'm coming out with. And I'll also be giving you guys an update within about a month. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!